Hello guys, welcome to our channel. The CAD room is now open to teach you the basic principles and tutorial in AutoCAD. If you have no background or any background in AutoCAD, this is the right channel for you. We will start our lesson on a basic familiarization up to the advanced. I will be your instructor here at your CAD room. My name is Joey Sandoy, a AutoCAD instructor for almost 3 years. I start using AutoCAD during 2003, starting from version release 14 to this time. The version that I'm using is the AutoCAD 2018 student version. So it is advisable to use the licensed product of Autodesk. In this AutoCAD basic tutorial, we will discuss the following lesson. From lesson 1 to lesson 8 on basic understanding of AutoCAD window, especially the user interface, drawing inputs, objects information, dimensions, blocks, shortcut commands, up to creating a simple floor plan. So after this topic, we'll learn how to draw and use our AutoCAD software. Starting from drawing like this or up to like this, complicated drawings. And also for further discussion after the lesson 1 to 8, I will also post some videos regarding how to plot your coordinates or some survey plans in AutoCAD with designated coordinate. Please stay tuned to our channel. All these topics will be taken up. So please like our videos posted here, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell so that you will be informed every time I post a new tutorial video regarding our AutoCAD software. So thank you very much and see you on our lesson 1 to 8. God bless.